Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the climate control in your 2019 Lexus ES300h. So, in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, we're going to click on menu. And once we get on menu, scroll all the way to the right to climate. And once we do that, it's going to give you a brief overview of the whole climate control system. What it shows in the left hand side is the temperature of your seat. And you also have the side controls right here if you want to access different types of stuff. But since we're going to be focusing on the climate, we're going to look at all the climate stuff right here. So seating and steering, all you have to do is scroll up or down depending on how high or low you want your temperature to be. Same goes on heated seats as well, your steering wheel, and on the passenger side. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.